This is going to be an unboxing of the DBPower portable power supply. This is 200 mAh, 250 WH, full of energy. This is a huge power supply. Let's get some specs out of the way. Well, of course, you can use this for travel, camping, field trips, or in an emergency if you have a power outage. Dimensions: 187 by 137 by 128 millimeters. Battery capacity: 67,200 mAh. Charging input: 15 volt 2A, Type C, 5 volt 3A. You got AC output rated at 250 watt with peak power of 350 watts. Your DC output is 9 to 12 volts at 10 amps. USB output, USB smart. This is one smart at 5 volt, 9 volt, or 12 volt, a maximum of 18 watts. And you've got a USB output 2 at 5 volt, 2 amps. I believe that's what that A means. And USB output 3 at 5 volt, 1 amp. It isn't waterproof. They do let you know about that. But anyway, that's the specs. So let's open this guy up. If you need power, this is going to do it for you. There we go. That, get that, that. Here we go. There it is. That is a beast of a power machine. It's got that nice handle you can see right away, so that I can pull it out really easy. Let's see what's in the side box, because these are some accessories. I'll go over those, and then we'll get to the main thing. You've got some information there. You've got your instruction manual, tells you how to use it, all of the specs and how everything works. So nice user-friendly user manual, so you can see how to use this guy. What else have we got? Probably charger, a warranty card for warranty information, and then yeah, you've got your plug, your AC power plug to charge this up. So you've got that, and then you've got your power supply. Now that box is a lot bigger than what this is. It's not huge. It's got a lot of power, obviously, but it's not so ginormous that you wouldn't. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to take up almost that entire box. But it actually doesn't. You can see how it fits in my hands, and I have small hands. So that is a lot of power in what is a relatively small package. Anyway, let's take a closer look at it. You have buttons up here. You have your power, you have AC, you have your DC USB, and then you have lights. So it looks like you can turn certain ports on or off independently. That's really cool. That's great. And you also have your little LED indicator here, so you can keep up with how much power you have left in this thing. Then on the front here, you have those ports. You've got a USB smart charging port. You've got that 5 volt 2 amp out, the 5 volt 1 amp out. I love that they designate exactly what they are, so you don't have to wonder or guess. They're all there. You've got DC in for charging. Now you also have Type C in, so that's cool. So you can use the provided plug to charge this, but let's just say you misplace this. You're not out of luck. You can use any Type C to charge this up. And even if you don't misplace that, it might be easier, more convenient for you. So you do have Type C in for charging, in addition to the DC in for charging. So that's cool. You have the DC out, 12 volt, 10 amps. And you've got a standard AC outlet. That is awesome. 110 volts, 250 watts. And you can see this is a like an international plug. So you can plug your standard US plugs into it, but you can also plug other things into it. Now you do have these two lights here on the side, which is really cool. And then you have these little LEDs over here. So these are lights as well. So in case of an emergency, or again if you're camping or something, those lights could come in handy. And then you have vents to keep this thing cool, and it lets you know rated power and everything is there as well, with some emergency notices just to know how to use it. So anyway, that's it. Again, this is the DB power supply, massive portable power supply. And this is everything that comes in the box. that is going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Keep up with all my videos. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments below, but I will be following up with a full demo review video of this product, and most of your questions will probably be answered in that, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.